Welcome to NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, your weekly pulse on next-gen mobility systems and autonomous machines. Let's get rolling.
This is The Brief on autonomous military systems. You know, there's a massive shift happening in defense tech right now. Software is being decoupled from hardware, and it's totally changing the game in the air and under the sea. First, the U.S. Air Force just had a huge breakthrough with its Collaborative Combat Aircraft program. They took a drone body from one company, General Atomics, and successfully flew it using software from a completely different one, Collins Aerospace. This uses a new government standard that effectively kills vendor lock, so the Air Force can just plug different software brains into different drone bodies. Second, this modular idea is hitting the ocean too. Lockheed Martin just unveiled its new Lamprey drone. It's got a plug-and-play payload bay, sure, but the real game changer is how it recharges. It can literally latch onto a host submarine and use the flow of water to charge its batteries. That means it can stay submerged and dormant pretty much indefinitely. And finally, Saab introduced a massive new autonomous ocean drone. We're talking 6.5 tons with a 600 nautical mile range, all run by an AI system. It's designed for surveillance, but yeah, it can carry torpedoes. And then on the flip side, you've got Teledyne shrinking similar navigation tech down for tiny little aquatic robots. So it's pretty clear the future of warfare isn't just about building the best single vehicle anymore. It's about who has the most adaptable software architecture for the sky and the sea. The speed of this technological evolution is just staggering.
This was NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.